Hi guys, welcome again to my channel and welcome to Workout Wednesday. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to stay updated on my twice weekly posts every Wednesday and every Friday. Today I'll be talking briefly about 3 factors that a lot of people may not consider while embarking on their fitness journey that may hinder the progress that they make. First is muscle building. A lot of people set out to lose weight and all they try to do is lots and lots of cardiovascular workouts, and they actually burn fat via this method. But the truth is, while you burn fat, it's also possible for you to burn your muscles, and that is not what you want. There are some people that even have not experienced any progress despite the number of cardiovascular workouts that they do. And this is possible because you have less muscles. It has been shown that a pound of muscle can burn up to 50 calories per day. Now, the more muscles you have, the more likely you are to burn more calories, and that is why a lot of fitness trainers encourage their clients to build muscles by doing resistance training and weightlifting. I know a lot of us may be skeptical about weightlifting and think that it may build up our shoulders and broaden our shoulders, but that is totally wrong. If you check out Queen, Shepard Enestin, and Kima Young-Williams, these are women that lift weight very often. But do they have the male physique? No, they don't. So don't be scared to grab those dumbbells. You can start with a pair of 1 kg, you can start with 2 kg, 3 kg, just as your muscles can actually handle, and just gradually progress just to make sure that you build your muscles so that it can help you to burn more fat. Another factor to consider is the presence of a medical condition. There are lots of obese people that have tried various methods of dieting and exercising and are yet to get results, and it is possible that all you have is a medical condition that has not been resolved and is making all your efforts to be futile. Conditions like hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian syndrome, Cushing's syndrome, and even depression can cause you to gain weight more than you are expected to. Example, in hypothyroidism, you have reduced production of the thyroid hormone. This hormone is responsible for metabolism, breakdown of food molecules, and converting them into energy. And so when you don't have sufficient production, you end up having weight gain, dry skin and hair, feeling depressed, high sensitivity to cold, and even disruption of your menstrual cycle. And that is why before you embark on a weight loss journey, it's important to see a medical doctor to do a full assessment to ensure that you don't have any possible medical condition that may hinder this journey. The last factor would be medications. If you are on any medication and you're trying to lose weight, it is very important you consult your doctor and find out if these medications is going to hinder you from achieving your targeted result. If you are trying to lose weight but you're on a medication that causes weight gain, then that will be completely counterproductive. These medications can affect your metabolism by reducing your basal metabolic rate. They may affect hormones that control hunger, making it harder for you to realize when you are full, and they may also cause your body to retain more fluids. They range from antidepressants like sertraline, fluoxetine, escitalopram, to mood stabilizers used in schizophrenia, bipolar disorders like risperidone, olanzapine, and lithium, glucocorticosteroids like methylprednisolone and prednisolone used in asthma, osteoarthritis, and lupus, anti-seizure medications like amitriptyline and valproic acid, and even antihypertensives like atenolol, propranolol, and metoprolol. So if you've been on any medication and you're about to start your weight loss journey, or you've started your weight loss journey and you're not seeing any progress, then inform your doctor, because it's possible that these medications are hindering your progress. Quite alright, 2 major factors that are thought to significantly affect weight loss and weight gain are physical activity and calorie intake. Nonetheless, these are not the only factors, and if you have any of the other factors and you've been on a plateau journey, then it's important for you to inform your doctor and see how much changes can be made to either your medications or medications given to you to control the medical condition that you have. So if you have challenges in your weight loss journey, I would love to know them in the comment section. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll see you next week Wednesday.